Now let me introduce you to the style spy. Before you leave the page, don't forget to like, share, subscribe.
Hey guys, this is Style Spy, and here's what you'll need: some stockings, some gym tack, flat back gems. I use the hot adhesive ones, paint marker, foam tube, paper, scissors, and tape. I saw these really cute stockings that Dearra was wearing. Like, look how fly she is. And I was like, you know, I need those. So once you put your paper on your foam, you want to put your stockings on, and then you want to begin to draw an outline of the dollar sign so that you can know where you're going to press your gems in. You want to make sure you put paper on your foam, because when you press down and use the hot gun, it like the heat will press into the foam, so the paper will act as if it's a covering for it, and just in case, you know, the stones get stuck. Like, this dollar sign is looking a little afflicted, but okay. We're going to follow the same steps that we have in previous videos. Place the gems on there, put the gun on there. Easy peasy. I ran out of material, so please make sure you have enough material if you decide to do this project. Also, make sure that you press down hard on the gems so that they can stick. I don't know if I didn't press down or what, but yeah, my little gems was popping off by the time I put them on, so I don't know what's going on. And I probably would use E6000 glue instead of the gem tack glue, because I ran out and I had to use the gem tack glue on some of them, and yeah, it did not hold. So I think on the last project I used the E6000 glue, so I will go back to that one. But they were so cute, like, oh my god. You can see here where I ran.